In this video, we will see how to convert a JK flip-flop into D flip-flop and T flip-flop. We know there are four types of flip-flop: SR flip-flop, JK, D and T flip-flop. JK flip-flop is the modified version of SR flip-flop, which we have seen in the previous video. Now we will see how to convert this JK flip-flop into D flip-flop and T flip-flop. D is delay flip-flop and T is toggle flip-flop. First, let us see how to convert this JK to T flip-flop. For that, we need the truth table of the T flip-flop and excitation table of JK flip-flop. So this is truth table of T flip-flop and this is the excitation table of JK flip-flop. Let us extend the truth table first to include J and K here. So for this combination 0 0, what should be the J and K value? So you can see here 0 0 it is here. For 0 0 what you are getting? 0x. So that you can mark it here. For same 0 0, 0x can be marked here. Next we have next combination 0 1. You check for 0 1 here. So what is the J and K value here? 1x. So that can be included here. Next for 1 0 combination, check 1 0. So x and 1 should be there. So here we have x and 1. Next for 1 1, x 0 is there. So include x 0 here. Now let us find the relation between the JK and T now. First let us take J and draw the K map. For T equal to T and Qn are the inputs. So T, Qn I have taken. Qn can be 0 or 1. Similarly T can be 0 or 1. So for both Qn and T 0 0, this combination is 0 0. For J we have 0. So mark that. Then again you will get x 1 x. So here 1 and x can be combined together. So you will get J is equal to, what is this variable? It is T. So J equal to T. Now we can draw for K. So mark it x0, x1. So here 1 and x can be clubbed together. So you will get, what is this variable? T. So K equal to T. So we can see that both J and K should be equal to T to get a T flip-flop from JK flip-flop. Next we will convert the JK flip-flop into D flip-flop, which is the delay flip-flop. For that you should know about the truth table of D flip-flop and excitation table of JK flip-flop. First we have to include the JK parameters in the truth table of D flip-flop so that we can achieve the relationship between D and JK. So first you find this combination Qn and Qn plus 1. What is that? 0 0. So the same 0 0 is here. So for this combination, what is J and K values? They are 0 and x. So mark that 0 x here. Similarly, you have to do for each case. Next case what we have is 0 1. You find 0 1 here and mark what is written here, 1x. So mark 1x here. Next we have 1 0. Find 1 0 here and mark this value x and 1 here. Next 1 1. You find 1 1 here and mark this value x0 here. So we have completed a truth table. Now let us draw the K map. So this is the K map drawn between Qn and D for J. So for 0 0, what is J? 0 x then 1 x. So write it in the correct order. Now this 1 and x can be combined together, so J equal to D. Next we have to draw for K. So K also we have x1, x0. So this 1x can be combined together. So K equal to D bar. So this is D equal to 0. So I can write K equal to D bar. So J equal to D and K equal to D bar. So it is similar to the SR flip-flop conversion to D flip-flop. So here directly D is connected to J and through a inverter it is connected to K. If you have any doubts in K map or other flip-flops, you can refer to the video links given in the description. You can also refer to other subjects in the playlist. Let us summarize what we have seen. For JK to T flip-flop, both J and K are connected to T. Whereas in JK to D flip-flop, D is directly connected to J, whereas through a inverter it is connected to K. If you like the video, do subscribe to Read Electric Vehicle channel. Thank you.